I'm going to show you guys 6 easy laser engraving projects that sell fast. They've worked for me and many others. Let me save you the trouble with this video. Most people overcomplicate making money with their laser machines. I've been there. I've wasted time chasing extravagant ideas when simple, practical products were what people actually wanted. Hang with me and I'll show you how to turn these straightforward projects into something you can make and sell right now. And remember this quote, the secret of success is to do the common things uncommonly well. Check this out. For number 6, we have engraved desk organizers with a pen holder and nameplate. Guys, people love these. The one we are making together is made out of basswood and acrylic. I got this file on Etsy and I'm using my xTool P2S to complete this project. To start, we are going to cut out the basswood and engrave a logo. From there, we will cut out the acrylic. These are classy and stick out for professionals or for anyone who wants to make their workspace look a whole lot cooler. They're not just useful, they're pretty dang impressive. The combination of basswood and acrylic gives it a modern high-end look that stands out. When you give your client the option to customize it with a name, job title, company logo, or even a motivational quote, you've got a product that feels personal and premium. The only thing I would have done differently on this one is probably use a darker wood, but it's okay. If you want to sell these, listen to me. Find the marketing director of a local company in your own hometown. Email them and ask for their logo and their name if they're willing to give it to you. They will be blown away and you will be on their radar for orders. Now, if you feel awkward doing that, making cold calls, find a friend and make one for them. From there, take a clean stage photo of the organizer in action. Add pens, sticky notes, and maybe a few business cards like I have here to show how functional and stylish it is. And for a bonus tip, bundle these with other desk accessories like an engraved pen, a matching coaster, or even a phone holder to complete a set. People love a cohesive look and they're willing to pay more for it. I'll post a link to the file I use below. For number 5, we have the simple, classic, good old serving boards. And before you say, I know, wait until you hear about a unique twist that could set your boards apart and grab attention. Don't sleep on this. Instead of engraving family names or recipes, which are still great ideas, you can offer interactive serving boards. Picture this, a charcuterie guide engraved directly onto the board, like this one, with labeled sections like cheese, crackers, fruits, and so on. Or how about food pairing tips? These aren't just serving boards anymore, they're conversation starters and functional art. The file I am using on the charcuterie board is very popular on Etsy and looks great engraved on my xTool P2S. And don't just stop at large boards. Create sets by adding smaller serving boards like appetizers or bread boards. A large charcuterie board paired with 2 smaller boards is perfect for entertaining and it instantly increases your package price. Customers love getting a complete set, especially for gifting. I am engraving the smaller ones on my xTool F1 Ultra with a blue diode and it is coming out clean. So why do these sell? Serving boards are always in demand, but this unique twist elevates them. People love giving these as gifts for weddings, housewarmings, or holidays because they're practical, personal, and now even more thoughtful with these creative ideas. By the way, for a bonus tip here, show these in action. Lay out a charcuterie spread, light some candles, take some stage photos, or a quick reel for social media. Putting food on a serving board puts it into perspective for your customer. Keyword perspective. You're completing an emotional circuit in their brain, giving them ideas for their own life and how they'd use it. While I don't have any time to show this right now, here's a photo of a charcuterie board I took for a local magazine. If you showed something like this on your engraved serving board, that is money coming in, guys. And here's another bonus tip, 2 in 1. You guys are getting lucky with this one. I usually source my acacia boards from a local hobby store, but you probably can save money by buying some of these online in bulk. Do the instructions above, watch your inbox fill up with inquiries. If you are feeling extra generous, gift one to a local family or business owner. The goodwill often turns into word of mouth sales. In fact, I made 6 orders this month from 1 free one. That's money, guys. This is real life, what I'm telling you. For number 4, let's talk about a fun, creative gift you probably haven't thought about before, but is gaining popularity. Custom engraved puzzles. Let's see if I can get this. For example, I'm making one of these for my boss and her family. I plan to surprise her with it, so I hope she doesn't mind the whole world seeing her picture. I recommend using 3mm basswood, and the instructions are simple. Convert your image to grayscale, Engrave it, then run the cutting layer with a file from Etsy or somewhere else. It's that simple. I did a few test engravings to ensure my settings were good, but this turned out great. Some ideas for you would be baby pictures, which would be perfect for grandparents and parents, wedding photos, pets, which is a very profitable niche, vacation memories, hobby-themed images like instruments and sports logos. Now don't get into trouble with copywriting though. Now catch this, the reason why these sell is because puzzles tap into the nostalgia and creativity. They aren't just a gift, they're an experience. Whether it's families piecing them together or someone reliving a cherished memory, they leave an emotional impact. Keywords, emotional impact. Here's a bonus tip. Post a video of yourself putting a puzzle together that you made with some heartfelt music. It's incredibly satisfying to watch and it grabs attention. Target families, couples, and pet owners on social media. You guys have to try these. For number 3, let's talk about something that's so simple yet can be incredibly effective with the right touch. Keychains. And I know they've been around forever, but hear me out. What if we took this classic item and gave it a creative, meaningful twist? Not only are they budget friendly and easy to make, but with the right approach, they can become your best-selling product. Here's an idea: location-based keychains. Think engraved GPS coordinates of a special place, a couple's first date, someone's childhood home, or even the exact spot where they got engaged, like I am making here. People love gifts that tell a story, and keychains with GPS coordinates instantly become a sentimental keepsake. If you want to go a step further design-wise, pair the coordinates with a simple icon or symbol that represents the location. For example, a heart for a wedding spot, mountains for a hiking trip, or an anchor for a beach location. So why do these sell? Keychains might be small, but they pack a big emotional punch. They're perfect for gifting, affordable, and quick to produce. Plus, they're easy to market because they resonate with so many different audiences. And for a bonus tip, here's a clever way to market these. And gosh, I need to take my own advice here. Post a reel or TikTok asking where's the most meaningful place in your life. Show the process of finding GPS coordinates, engraving them, and finishing the keychain. People will instantly connect with the idea and start tagging loved ones or sharing their stories. This turns a simple product into an emotional experience, and that's what sells. For a polished look, use metal or acrylic blanks. For a rustic vibe, go with wood.
You spelled my wife's name wrong.
Guys, I seriously just screwed this keychain up, both of them, so I am going to have to redo this. So bonus tip, double check your spelling before you engrave anything. For number 2, we are going super niched here, but sport-themed ornaments. But not just any sports teams, local high school sports teams. Let me explain. This customizable project file is a huge seller on Etsy and one you probably need to take advantage of, the Stadium Series Spotlight Ornament. Sports is a crazy huge niche and many parents take so much pride in their kids playing. These football-shaped ornaments are a great way to celebrate that pride while creating something personalized and meaningful. And the best part, there are similar files available for other sports like baseball, basketball, and more. After you download the main file, you can put the player and team name in and make it personable. So why do these sell? It's simple. Parents love these. If you can spark a fire with these at a local school and sell these for about $15 through $20 a piece, I am sure you can clear well over $100 per hour. The most I have made has been around $700 per hour on other projects, but it is doable. Target local schools, teams, or sports leagues. Post a picture of a completed ornament on social media with captions like, "Show your team spirit with these custom ornaments." To go a step further, ask to speak with the principal at a school and tell them you would love to partner with them for the Christmas season. Like I said, sports is a huge niche and this will go over very well. For number 1, I even changed clothes for this one. Are you ready? The number 1 seller is you. Now don't click off now, guys. It's about to get real. Put people before the transaction. You don't get anywhere by being an overly advantageous person who comes across as a predatory salesman only interested in getting money. You are your brand. The way you treat people matters so much. There is no shame in admitting that you need to work on your people skills. I mean, we all kind of do. Just do me a favor. Be intentional and authentic when you communicate. Whether you are an extrovert or an introvert, be aware of your personal dynamics in communication. Resources flow through other people. It doesn't matter what business you're in, it takes someone else doing their part in order for you to do yours. The device you are watching me on was once in another person's hands at one time. We need other people. Be someone who has genuine character and integrity and watch what happens with your sales. And I know this isn't the most popular advice, but I promise you it will pay you dividends, and it does not get preached enough. And listen, I know laser machines can be an investment, but when harnessed correctly, they can be very profitable and also be a blessing to your customers because of the products they receive from you. I personally use xTool lasers because they are so easy to operate and have a fantastic community of people who will answer questions within minutes in the xTool Facebook groups. Now, if you are interested in the xTool laser machines like I use, I will post links to my favorite ones with the best price below, along with any active promo codes. Now, going through these special links helps support this channel at no extra cost to you, and I cannot thank you guys enough for your support. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and do all the stuff us YouTubers tell you to do. But anyway, guys, you can watch this next video here if you need more tips, and I will post all the information to the lasers I use below. See you guys later.